Okay, so I'm going to go over your assignment. Let's see if I can get back out to it so you can see where it is. Okay, so I am going over el alfabeto, trabalenguas, el vocabulario, which is due on the 25th of August. So what it tells you to do first is create a slide cover where you need your name, your course, your date, and the project title. So here in my example, I have Yo pronuncio español, which is the title, my name, my class, and then you would want to put your section and then the date. Okay. And then it tells you for the next slide title, you need to write your first and last name. Then you write the spelling in Spanish of your first and last name, and then you record the Spanish spelling of your first and last name. So on this next slide, I have my first and last name. Then they want you to write it out like this. These are the ways that the letters are spelled. Like J is J, A is the letter E, and then this is my last name, R-A-T-A. So then you're supposed to record yourself spelling it, so then you'll read it out and record it. You might want to use Vocabulario. You could use vocabulario.com and then stick a link here. So it is Janenniferaray. Okay, then in the next slide, it says to pick one of the tongue twisters. So it gave you a link to the tongue twisters. So I put one here. So these are them. So you'll have a link that'll take you to this that has various tongue twisters you could choose, which obviously I just tripped over my own tongue, so that doesn't bode well for me. But like this one, like there's a whole bunch of them, so you can pick whichever one you want. So I put this one in here, and then you're supposed to record yourself in Spanish. So you would say R con R en gorro, R con R en barril, rápido corren los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril, which was not easy. So you'll just record yourself reading that. And then for the last slide, you're supposed to select 5 words from to practice pronunciation. So there's a list. You pull up this list, which I don't have that up. That's what I got rid of. So this is the list. And you can pick any of the 5 words there. So I just pulled up the first 5, and then you're supposed to record yourself saying them as well. Bola, circo, dado, foca, gato. And then that's all that you have to do. So you need to put the name of the activity, your name, the class, the date. Then on the next slide, you write out your name, and then you write out your name, the name of the letter, and then you record yourself saying it. Then on the so you would say, you know, you've written this, and then you write out, then you read Jenniferaray. And then in the next one, you record yourself reading a trabalenguas or a tongue twister. And then the next one, you record yourself reading the 5 words from the list.